Yes, children, yesterday we discussed about croquet with the queen. Yes?
Ma'am,
What is
what
a
is the
croquet?
topic?
What is a croquet? Can you tell me? What is a croquet? What is a
The
croquet?
game playing on a lawn. A
Ah,
game which
croquet. A
which
game.
played on a lawn. Game played on a lawn.
Yes, a croquet. Croquet is a game which is played on a lawn. Very good.
No.
Yes. So what we use to play the croquet? What are the things we need to play a croquet?
We need balls
Okay, ball
and
and wooden.
we need a hammer.
Not hammer. Mallet. Mallet. It is a mallet. Wooden mallet. It is a wooden mallet. Okay. We need a wooden mallet and a ball. Okay. Then what we will do with that? We at people no people hit a ball with a wooden mallet to send it over the grass. To send it over
We
the
will
grass.
not see the
We will
video today. We will
we
see
hit
the video, I think.
we hit the ball with the help of wooden mallet. Okay. But yesterday we saw the video. In that video, Alice and Queen were playing croquet. And what were they using to play the croquet?
Flamingo.
Huh?
Flamingo. Flat.
Flamingo and
Peacock.
yes, very good. Flamingo and hedgehog. A bird and a small animal. Yes, hedgehog. They were using. What do you think? The game was easy to play with a flamingo and hedgehog?
No.
No. We saw in the video that Alice was struggling to play the croquet with flamingo and hedgehog. Yes, children? Yes. And when Alice entered the garden, what did she see? Yes, tell me.
She saw flowers. Roses red. She
Huh?
saw lots of flowers.
Yes, she saw few soldiers coloring the roses into red, white roses into red. Okay. So Alice asked the soldiers, Alice asked the soldiers that why were they coloring the white roses as red?
Because the queen do not like white roses.
Because the queen did not
She
like
likes only red roses.
yes. The queen did not like the white roses, so they were coloring the white roses into red. Yes. And there was a procession. You know, what is the meaning of a procession? A group of soldiers or a group of people who are following the queen. And tell me, the queen's procession, how many people, how many soldiers, and who are there in that procession? Do you know? Let me tell you. Who are there? There were 10 soldiers. How many soldiers in the procession? Tell me. How many soldiers were there?
10. 10 soldiers.
Soldiers. Yes. 10 soldiers who looked like gardeners. Tell me, beta. How are they looking? How are the 10 soldiers who are looking? How were the 10 soldiers who are looking? Tell me. They were looking like gardeners. They were looking like
Gardeners.
yes,
Gardeners.
yes,
They are looking.
gardener. So you have to remember that there is a queen procession. In that queen's procession, there were 10 soldiers who looked like gardeners. Kings own men with red diamonds. Yesterday we have seen in the video, no children, the few soldiers looked like cards. What cards? Red diamond cards. Yes, they were in the diamond shape. Yes, diamond shape cards. And next, who were there in the procession? The people who had come to play the game of croquet. Few people who came to play the croquet. And knave of hearts. Few soldiers who were in the shape of cards. Which cards? The cards were in the heart shape. Heart. And next, who are there? King and the queen. These are the people who are there in the queen's procession. Look at the card. Adhya Guja is showing the card there. That is a card of heart. So few soldiers were looking like a heart. Can you see the heart card Adhya Guja is holding?
Yes, ma'am, it is a hard code.
So yesterday we have seen in the video, few soldiers looked like a heart cards. Yes or no? Yes. When Alice was playing croquet, somebody was disturbing Alice. Who was that? Can you tell me somebody?
White rabbit, I think he was telling that trial is starting.
Who was disturbing? Pathan, can you tell me?
Cheshire cat.
Yes, Cheshire cat. Wantedly, the Cheshire cat was appearing and disappearing. Then what did Alice do? Alice was talking to the Cheshire cat, but was Queen able to see the Cheshire cat? Was Queen able to see the Cheshire cat?
No.
She was unable to see the Cheshire cat, and Queen was getting angry on Alice that Alice was shouting on the Queen. Is Alice was shouting on the Queen or the Cheshire cat? Tell me. Alice was
Cheshire cat.
Yes, Alice was shouting on Cheshire cat, but Queen was thinking that Alice was shouting on the Queen. And what was the sentence all the time the Queen was using?
Queen is given.
Huh? Queen was
Handsome head. Handsome head.
off the head, cut off the head. Yes, she was saying she got Queen. Whenever the Queen was getting angry, the Queen was saying off with her head. What was the sentence she was using? Tell me.
Cut off the head.
No, off with her head. Tell me again. Off.
Cut off the head.
Not cut off the head. Listen. Off with her head. Tell me.
Off with her head.
Yes.
Off with her head.
Yes. Off with her head. And Alice was very much worried. Why is she saying off with her head? Then the rabbit said, whenever the Queen gets angry, she will off the head. Okay.
Off the head.
Yes. Now listen carefully. Now Queen invited Duchess to play the croquet, but Duchess was very late.
Here is the Duchess.
She was late, and the rabbit here, the white rabbit also. You can see the white rabbit. The Queen was asking to the white rabbit, "What happened to the Duchess? Where is she? Where is the Duchess?" Then what did the rabbit say? The rabbit told that.
See, here is the Duchess and Alice.
Yes. So the rabbit told that she was very late, Alice was asking, Duchess, why the queen is telling to off with her head. What is the reason? The Duchess was very late to the, yes, garden there. So the rabbit told that the Duchess would have her head cut off. The rabbit was afraid of the Duchess' temper now. Shouting, Queen was just simply shouting that off with her head, off with his head. But Alice didn't see any heads being cut off, but she was not happy. The queen isn't angry with me just now, she thought, but it can happen at any time. I would like to speak to somebody about it. There was something in the air near her. Can you tell me who was there in the air? To whom she was talking? Alice started talking to someone when she was playing the croquet. Can you tell me? To whom?
The Cheshire Cat.
Yes,
Cheshire
yes,
Cat.
Arshita
The
Gautam.
Cheshire Cat.
Yes, she started talking to the Cheshire Cat who always appear and disappear. The cat did not show any more of itself. Its head stayed in the air without a body. How do you like the queen? It asked. It asked to the Alice, how do you like the queen? I don't. What did Alice say? Alice said, I don't like the queen. She saw that the queen was very near and she added, I don't think that there is any queen like her. First, what did Alice say? Alice said that I don't like the queen. But later she said again, when the queen is coming so close to the Alice, even Alice got afraid and she changed the sentence and she was telling that I have never seen like her. The queen was pleased and moved away. The queen heard that Alice was telling that the queen is a unique. She is very different than other queens. And she pleased. Pleased means she was happy. Queen was happy and she moved away. But the king came to Alice and stood by her, looking the cat's head and wondering, who are you speaking to? King observed. King saw that Alice was talking to someone. And King asked the Alice, whom you are talking to? It's a friend of mine, Alice said. Then Alice, what did Alice said? Alice said, it's my friend, Cheshire Cat. I don't like the look of it at all, said the king. The king was not happy to see the Cheshire Cat because the Cheshire Cat was only grinning. Only the head of the Cheshire Cat we can see. We cannot see the entire cat. Yes? And the king doesn't like the way it is appearing and disappearing. The queen did not even look. Off with his head, she shouted. When king said, I don't like his appearance. Then again, the queen even didn't look. The queen didn't see who was there, about whom they are talking. Just simply she started shouting again, off with his head. Who is his here? Who is his? Cheshire Cat. The queen was telling off with his head. When Alice got back to the Cheshire Cat, there were a lot of people round it. The king and the queen and the axeman were all speaking at the same time. The axeman was saying, I can't cut a head off if there isn't a body to cut it off. They were now the queen said that cut off his head. Whose head? Whose head, children?
Cheshire Cat.
Cheshire
Cat.
Yes, Cheshire Cat's head. But the axeman who is ready to cut the Cheshire Cat head. See, the axeman is ready to cut the head. So axeman was telling, how can I cut the head I cannot see the body of the Cheshire cat. I don't know where is his head. All the time the Cheshire cat is moving in the air. How can I cut? Okay. The king was saying, nonsense. If anything has a head, its head can be cut off. The queen was saying, if somebody doesn't do something soon, I will have everybody's head cut off. See? The queen. What the queen is saying again? Come on. Fast. Cut off his head. Cut off the head of the Cheshire cat. If you are not doing, I am going to cut everybody's head off. Who is telling that? Who was telling that?
The queen.
What did the queen say? What did the queen say?
If you are going to cut, I'll go and I'll cut all the heads.
Yes. Krishika, you tell me what the queen was telling. Krishika ji, tell me.
The queen said, if you will not cut, if you will not cut, I will go and I will cut all the heads.
Advait Aryan, you tell me.
If you don't cut the Cheshire cat head, I'll cut everyone's head.
Yes. I will cut everyone's head. Please, Aryan, don't cut everybody's head. Okay. You are telling that you are going to cut everybody's head. You are telling what the queen was telling. Who was telling that?
Queen.
It's not you, no? It's not you? Okay.
No.
Okay, good. So queen was telling that I will cut everybody's head off. As soon as Alice came, they all asked her about it. Alice thought and then she said, it's the Duchess cat. Ask her about it. Then everyone started asking Alice that, whose cat is that? We are going to cut off the Cheshire cat's head. Then what did Alice reply? Alice said, it's not my cat. It's Duchess cat. Go and ask to Duchess. Bring the Duchess here, the queen said. She's waiting to have her head cut off. Then what did the queen say? Queen said, go and call the Duchess. I want to cut Duchess head off. For each and everyone, the simple sentence she is using that. Okay, bring her. I will cut off her head. Bring him. I will cut off his head. Yes, it's so funny to listen, not to hear. Yes. The axeman ran to get the Duchess, and the Cheshire cat's head began to disappear. Even its grin had disappeared by the time the Duchess came. The king and the axeman ran about trying to find it, but the queen told all the others to go back to the game. Everyone, the axeman ran away to bring the Cheshire Duchess, and meanwhile queen said, you all start the game. Everyone started playing the game. Come for a walk, the Duchess said, and she put her arm through Alice's arm. I am very glad to see you again. And they walked away. Alice heard the queen at the croquet ground. She was still shouting, off with his head, off with her head, as she got angry with the players. Whenever any player disturbing the queen or any player is not playing well, only the sentence she was using. What was the sentence she was using? What was she shouting?
Cut off the head. Cut off the head.
Yeah.
Cut off the head. Cut off the head. Cut off the head.
Not cut off the head. Off with his head. Off with her head. Tell me.
Off with her head.
His head.
Off
Off with his head.
Yes.
But we cannot off the
Yes. Off with his head. Off with her head. So they were shouting that. Queen was shouting that. You must be glad to be alive, Alice said to the Duchess. Slowly, what did Alice do? Alice has taken the Duchess out of the ground. And she was telling to the Duchess, you should be very glad to be alive. You are safe now. Then Duchess said, yes, it's a nice day for me. The queen likes to say it, but nobody does it. Alice wanted to ask some more questions, but they heard a cry of trials beginning. What trial is it? Alice asked to Alice tried to ask, but the Duchess was running too quickly to answer. As she still had Alice's arm, Alice ran. Yes, children. So what happened here? Duchess was telling all the time that off with her head, off with his head, but no one will do that. No one dares to off the head. And next, Alice want to ask so many questions to the Duchess, but she heard a sound. She heard a trial sound. What is a trial here? A trial means they were having a they were having a trial in the courtroom. Okay, everyone has to gather in the courtroom for a trial. So she heard the voice and she was asking, Alice was asking to the Duchess that what trial is it? But the Duchess was running too quickly. She was not able to answer. She was very late to the trial room. So Duchess was running very fast and she was unable to answer. What is the trial? What why they were all gathering in that room? This we will be knowing in our next chapter.